Woo, MonkeyBoo. Look what we got right here. Good boy. Wait, you gotta eat this? Yeah, you know what it is. Can you catch it for me? You can't let it fall. One, 2, 3. Here's your spoon. Here, open it first. Open it. Some Mott's applesauce. Hurry. Look, you know how to do it. You gotta take that off right there. Okay. Real easy. Oh, here. Just use a spoon. Do you like applesauce? Huh? Is it good? Yeah. Here, use it. Can we give him a special shout out, Boo? Say, guys, go look in the description. There's a link to my friend McAdenville's YouTube channel. Go check it out and hit the subscribe button on it. It's delicious, Boo. Go, Boo. Alright. Go, get that off here so you can get it all. Want the spoon? Huh? Alright, so I guess pretty safe to say, Boo, when you're done, like that bowl will be like sparkly clean. You're like a professional eater. She's like, you got something that's good to eat? I'll make a YouTube video. I'll whip my head and make it look delicious. I mean, applesauce is good, but is it that good? I bet the kids that are watching love applesauce. If you're a little kid and you're watching MonkeyBoo right now and you love applesauce, raise your hand. I bet some hands just went up there. Woo! Head whip being good. Can I get a head whip? Give me one. Whip the head. Oh, there it is. The extra long tongue shots. Hurry. Let me see. Did you get it all? Can I have it? Thank you. Will you shake my hand? Thank you very much. Can I get a little applesauce kiss? Hey. Oh, he's a good boy.